Hello! Today is it's almost 12 and I'm on my way to the meeting area, which is Macdo, Ladislawa. Today we are going to Agusan del Norte and del Sur. I get to finally cross off my bucket list these two provinces. Hindi parate in-offer ang Agusan Circuit. So when they did, I grabbed the chance and I signed up for it. So this is another joiner's tour. I wore a mask because I think it's that time of the year again where everybody has flu, and I'm trying not to get sick because I hate getting sick. As far as I know, we are going to a cave pool, a beach, and waterfalls. I also brought my pillow and my headphones in my bag. Finally arrived, so I'm gonna give you a tour of this place. There was a big dinosaur. Ooh. This cave pool is the only approved cave pool by the DENR in the Philippines, as they said. Only cave pool in the Philippines that was approved by DNR. Go to the beach. Where's the beach? It's the beach. So we're exploring the beach because second batch pa ako sa pool. They will be taking around 45 minutes and then after them, kami na naman. Ew. Yeah. So that's how it looks like on top. Oh, my bougainvilleas. Just to share, we are one of the corners in Mindanao. So if somewhere there, Leyte na diha, Limasawa, and then somewhere there is Camiguin. We are going going to our next destination. The hike was pretty steep. There are 3 falls here. And today we're going to the top. Drone already, and it's very nice here. It's not very crowded, but you need to hike for at least 10 minutes to get here. May falls dun sa baba, but it's kind of not as pretty as this one. Going back to the ground floor. It's nice because they have stairs. Hindi ka mahirapan umakyat because it's cemented. So it's nice. It's hike friendly. Tabi po. It's just steep. Finally, I get to check off Agusan del Norte and del Sur in my Mindanao 28. I'm so happy. Because that means around 10 na lang ang aking kulang before I proceed to Visayas and Luzon. As I've said earlier, I've been wanting to go here since last year. But then, this is a seasonal joiners trip. So you have to wait for the next schedule.